Poisoning is one of the biggest threats lions face across Africa today.
It becomes very close to home when it's animals that you know so well. For individuals, we know them really well now. It's much more, you feel it much more.
Soon after the Pride leave him, emergency wildlife vets arrive to try and save Charm's youngest son. But the poison has no simple antidote. The vets try to ease the symptoms. All they and the crew can do now is wait in the hope he can recover and return to the Pride.